Are you like 5 years old? If you're my mother, how could you be 5 years old?
She keeps it in her face.
Just in character.
Who do you tell to shut up? You have a girlfriend and you are a girl. So you are a guy with a girl voice. She is your sister and your girlfriend. And you have a girl voice, but you are a guy. You have big balls. You just said you had big balls, but now you say you have no balls. You hold on one moment, please. Hello. Hello. Hello, come again. Hello? Huh? Hello? I make you horny, baby. I make it rain. I'm the weatherman.
That's Sabin. No, it's not. Give me. Yes, that is Sabin. Shut up. It's recent Sabin. I told you. Sabin! Reese. It sounds like a little girl. It's Sabin. He sounds like a little girl.
As soon as I heard him say, do I make you horny, I knew it was
Sabin. Reese.
They sound so
What kind of
young.
voice is that? Scary sounding. Reminds me of Frank. Or Fred.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah.
Fred. Okay, bye. When I was 7, I killed my sister.
That's my little cousins, Reese and Sabin.
Okay, keep going. Hannah, it's your turn.
So you still